Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add spin wheel on Whatnot 2025. To add a wheel of names to Whatnot, start by opening your preferred browser and search for Wheel of Names. Once you're on the site, copy the URL at the top of the page so you'll have it ready. Next, open your recording software. I'm using OBS as an example. In OBS, add a new source, select Browser, and paste the Wheel of Names link into the URL field. Press OK, and the wheel will instantly appear inside your scene. To make it interactive, click on the Interact button, which allows you to spin and use the wheel live. From here, you can hide or resize the window for a cleaner layout. And just like that, you've got a fun, fully functional spin wheel to engage your Whatnot audience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.